This Greek lemon chicken recipe is so easy, I debated as to whether or not it needs a video because it really is straightforward. Of course, you know videos are what I do, so of course I had to make a video. I know most people like recipes with Greek and Mediterranean flavors, so I thought I'd just show you. We're going to start with the Greek marinade for the chicken. Greek and Mediterranean flavors in a Greek lemon chicken recipe are characterized by aromatic herbs, citrusy notes, and the use of olive oil. These 6 chicken thighs are straight out the fridge. They've been marinated for 24 hours. I sliced up an onion and a lemon, and let's get started. To prepare the chicken for searing, pat the chicken dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture, which helps in achieving a better sear. Use a heavy skillet or pan. Heat the pan first. Add olive oil. Olive oil is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine. It adds richness and a distinct flavor. I'm searing the skin side only and then adding it to a 350-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes. Let's make some rice as a side dish. While rice is not traditionally associated with Greek cuisine, a popular side dish for Greek lemon chicken could be spanakorizo, a Greek spinach and rice dish. Let me know if you'd like to know how to make this dish in the comments. I'm making some zucchini and onions sauteed in olive oil, seasoned with salt and pepper. Zucchini served with Greek lemon chicken is a delightful combination that not only offers a burst of flavors, but also provides a healthy dose of nutrients. Did you know that zucchini is rich in antioxidants? One being lutein, which is good for eye health. Paired with the vibrant flavors of Greek lemon chicken, it makes for a healthy, nutritious meal. This looks yummy, doesn't it? Come on along and let's give this a taste. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And here are a few more videos that you might enjoy.